number, no, start in the presentation mode. Then it will come one line. Yeah. अभी click करते जाएंगे, एक line आएगा. हाँ, बोलिए. Now you can start.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Everyone will be very well versed with Supertrend indicator, but they are using it in a different time frame or with a different parameters, and that is the reason why they only look at. Hello.
हाँ, बोलिए.
That is the reason why they look it only for taking a buy or sell signal. But in generally, I use it for finding the support and resistance. And for that, if I use a single super trend, I won't get the support and resistance. That is the reason why I have developed six super trends to be used at a time, so that I can find the support and resistance of the each stock which I am trying to focus.
Okay.
नेक्स्ट लाइन आने के लिए क्या एंटर मारना है क्या?
हाँ, एंटर करना.
एंटर में नहीं आ रहा है.
हाँ, एंटर का आएगा.
स्पेस बार कर दो सर.
एरो की या राइट एरो की यूज कर लो सर.
नहीं, किसी में भी नहीं आ रहा है.
तो एक बार माउस से क्लिक कर लो, फिर आगे आने लगेगा.
अच्छा. We can use a super trend to find the support and resistance of any stock or index, and it can be used in any time frame, any stock, whether it is US stock or your international stock. It uses two data points, namely period and the multiplier. Period is the ATR, number of days, and multiplier is the deviation that we are wishing from that period. So basically, settings generally used are 7 or 3, 10 and 3, 6, 7 and 2, like that. Different indicators are using. They are using it, and smaller settings can be used for finding signals very frequently. Whereas if you use a higher setting, you will get signals which are less frequent, and you can get a very good trend. Higher settings will remove the noise from the market, but you will get less number of trading signals. We will be using 6 super trends with a period of 2 and multiplier 1.5, 4.5, 7.5, 10.5, 13.5, and 16.5 to find the support and resistance. We are using these indicators only to find, suppose if you use only 3, what happens is that all the 3 lines can go up. Then you don't know where the support will be there. Or if all the 3 lines are below, you won't know where the resistance is there. So that is the reason why I have introduced 6, so that at least 4 or 2 or 2 or 4, there will be some combinations where you can find the support and resistance. Only in case where the market is more bullish, completely bullish or completely bearish, you will find all the super trends down or above. That's a very rare phenomena, but generally you will have one support or 2 support for every scripts that you track. Keep a focus on the green support line and red resistance lines. Mostly stocks moves in the nearest support and resistance, between the support and resistance. If you track the stocks on a backdate, you can find that at each support or at each resistance, the stock has reached at least twice or thrice before giving a reversal. So it is 90%, you can say it is successful. There will be 10% when there is a very big move and that level is not taken up. So basically we can see that whenever there is a reversal, that line will go down and it will become a next support. If it is at a resistance, whenever the line is breached, that line will go down and it will act as a new support. And similarly, if it is breaching to the top, you will find it as support. And if it is breaching from low to top, you will get a resistance line. You can sell, call, or put using the next support and resistance line. For option sellers also, this can be used for finding the next range where there will be a breakout. So if you take a level just between the next 2 levels, your chances of winning becomes more. Now you can use this in 3 different times. The indicators, you can use it 3 times, either in trading view, which will be comfortable to you people, but I am not comfortable with trading view because the lines that they show is incomplete. So I find it a bit difficult to understand. Or you can use it in Zerodha, there also I have some issues. I don't find it that easy to understand it. I prefer this, where I get the lines very, very clearly. Where is the next support or where is the next resistance? Now, if you see that candle has gone below this line, so this line has become the next resistance. So using this value, I update this on a particular Excel and get it. Condition formatting is done by me so that I can understand that these are, if you say, take the case of Nifty, the market is completely below this levels. That means it is bearish. Now it will get a resistance at 17,286. If this level is breached, then only it can show a very big up move. Then it can show a up move to 18,248. If this level is breached, 18,662. Like that, you can understand where is the next support and resistance. In case of Bank Nifty, you can see that 38,133 is the resistance and 34,385 is the support. You can see that the stock will remain between this level at least for 3 to 4 days. Then only it will give a breakout or breakdown. Now, if you see this in ODN, there is a small issue that I don't get Friday's data on a Saturday. It will be only updated on next day. So if you see this value, you can see that there are many instances where the script has moved within this range and come to the next support and then again went up. Similarly, it has gone up, then it did not take that resistance, then went to the next level. So if you see each and everything from this level, it came to the exact support and then moved to the resistance. So this will give you the exact next support and resistance and will help you to identify where to enter a trade or where to exit a trade. Suppose you have entered a trade here, you can exit at this level expecting that it will take a support, or you can again go long here expecting that it will take a resistance here. So this tool can be used to find the support and resistance on a perfect manner. See, take this case, it has come to the support, went to the resistance, again come to the support, went to the resistance. So if you track the last nearest support and nearest resistance, you can see that it gives very good results. In TradingView and this, I find it a bit confusion, but if someone is comfortable with TradingView, there is no problem. You just have to understand these levels. This is the level, this is the indicator done by Mohit. So I don't know if anyone is using it, but this acts as a very good support and resistance. Here also you can see it is taking support at the exact levels and going to the next resistance bar. So this has to be used in a fashion that overnight, whatever stocks that you want to track in your portfolio, open the chart, update the values in an Excel, just like I showed you here, and then it can give you a very good results. You have to update it on whatever stocks that you want. You have to add the stocks in this, and then you have to keep on updating. Now, suppose I want to take a data of Reliance. हाँ सर,
आपने ऑटो अपडेशन का बताया, वो क्या चीज है इसके अंदर?
वो इसमें नहीं है सर.
अच्छा, वो इसमें नहीं है. ओके,
नहीं, इसमें ऑटो अपडेशन नहीं आएगा.
ओके.
See, if I add Reliance, the weekly high and weekly low and the LTP will be automatically updated. You have to update these values so that automatically it will show where the next support and resistance is. So this can be used to use it as a tool where you can make a copy in your PC and then save it as per your name, make a copy, then replace this name with your name. For example, you can say anything, PKK, and then save it, then it will be saved as PKK. Now from you can get a new sheet, PKK name, then you can add your own scripts. This will be automatically updated. Only you have to update these 6 values on a daily basis. And here also, you can find that all the values will not change. Only the nearest value which is there near the LTP, that will change. So you need to update only 2-3 values. The rest of the values will remain same. But it gives you an idea where is the next support and resistance. That is the reason why we say you have to update all the values, 6 values on a daily basis. So I will share this Excel. You can make a copy of it on your PC and start updating only on those stocks which you are trading, so that it doesn't become congested. But for
Peethambharan ji, I'm using this. Pitambraji, I am using your this file, and what I am observing is that whenever the color is changing, like if you see in the Bank Nifty, the color is changing from ST3 to ST4, correct?
Yeah.
This pink is becoming green. So wherever this is happening, that means that there you have to keep a focus. Now here either the stake can go to that level or maybe to the S2 level. So that is the main crucial point. We have to just observe where the color is changing. So if you have around 10 to 12 script, you can easily find out where the color is changing. आपका वो वाला दिखाइए जिसमें आपने 50 स्क्रिप्ट डाले हुए हैं, जिसमें we can easily find out कि कहाँ आपका changes हो रहा है, वो दिखाइए आपका.
बट लेकिन कल क्या था और आज क्या चेंज हुआ वो नहीं दिखाएगा वो.
तो वो ठीक है, आपका जो 50 वाला जो है ना, जो 50 का आपने जो शेयर किया हुआ है वो वाला दिखाइए एक बार. That's okay. That easily identifies कि कहाँ पे आपका वो सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस चेंज हो रहा है और कहाँ हमें फोकस करना. हाँ देखिए इसके अंदर, see we can easily find out कि आपका ग्रीन और जो रेड का जो मिलान हो रहा है वो कहाँ हो रहा है. That is the point of focus, correct?
Now for this particular scrape, Bosch Limited, you should say that 16,181 is the resistance and 14,711 is the support.
Right.
The nearest red and the nearest green, that is your support and resistance. In case of BHEL, resistance is 51.79, support is 43.59.
Right.
Now the problem with it is in each indicator, if you use say if you using Nifty here in the trading view, you are not getting a reversal here actually. There in certain scripts you get that reversal is not being shown here. In case of Zerodha also it is the same problem. If I take Nifty only, there is a slight difference. Here I am getting one resistance at 2596. In case of, I will just add Nifty only, then it will be very clear. Nifty spot.
Nifty 50.
Nifty 50. Nifty 50. Now see here also, your here there is no support showing. This is working correct. But then you are not getting 6 levels in this Zerodha. There is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know where is the 6th level, why it is not showing. So this is a certain issue with certain softwares. So you should be comfortable in wherever you are looking at. And for the time being, you can just compare what from wherever you are updating with these values. If there is some difference, then you can inform me. Because basically I update this from ODN. And I have been using this for the past 6 years.
But the values are exactly telling. Whether
that's what I'm saying. You have to just confirm if the values are telling.
Exactly telling. मैंने एक और चीज किया है, मैंने वो 6th वाला हटा दिया और 5th वाला भी हटा दिया. I am using only 4 because वो 6th में तो भी आता ही नहीं है.
Your record, because see, sometimes the strip goes to completely 6, all are above. Then you don't know where is the next support.
Right. Correct.
Even you can do it for India VIX. India VIX is at a high. Whenever VIX is crossing this, all are green. Then avoid shorting.
Right.
Because volatility will increase and you may incur losses. So whenever it is between these levels, suppose between ST1 and ST6, you can go for shorting. But once it is completely above this, avoid shorting. Your volatility will increase and you may incur loss. So those who are doing option selling can even look at India VIX to find whether they should do it or not.
Okay. अभी मैं unmute कर दूं सबको? अभी आप बोल रहे हैं, हाँ बोलिए, कंटिन्यू.
इसमें किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो पूछिए, कि नहीं तो फिर मैं जो कल बताया था ऑटो अपडेशन का वो एक्सेल दिखा दूंगा.
एक मिनट में अभी सबको अनम्यूट कर रहा हूँ. हाँ. Now you can ask any questions. I have unmuted everybody.
Actually, Mr. Pete, can we use this even in 1 minute time frame for intraday?
It can be used, but the levels will be very, very nearer, sir.
Achha.
Yeah, I can show you that also. There's no issue. You can use it in any time frame.
5 minute वाला use कीजिए ना, 5 minute. 5 minute will be better.
Sir, show one of the how you are selecting the price for each of the super trend values, sir.
वो दिखाया था ना आपको PPT. PPT में
देखिए,
बताया था
इसमें
ना
आपका
सारा
PPT में भी दिखाया है. अगर आपको स्टडी मैनेजर में दिखाना है, देखिए सुपर ट्रेंड 2 1.5, 2 4.5.
No, this is okay. No, the values मतलब the amount.
वैल्यू ये इंडिकेटर, ये मेरे बार में यहाँ आ जाता है नीचे मुझे अपडेट करने के लिए.
ओह,
ट्रेडिंग में ऊपर आता है. ट्रेडिंग व्यू में ऊपर आ
ट्रेडिंग
जाता
व्यू
है।
में आपको ऊपर आ जाएगा,
हाँ, ऊपर आ जाता है,
ये
राइट।
ट्रेडिंग व्यू में आपको ये लेवल्स इधर आ जाते हैं।
हाँ, वहां दिखते हैं।
Okay.
So, Mr. Pete, you tell me, since you have done so much research on this, what is the ideal time frame you would recommend for positional and intraday?
Positional I generally recommend 1-day chart,
Oh,
and intraday you can go for 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or 1 hour, whichever you are comfortable with. Now, even if you see this particular, I have taken 1 minute in Nifty, you can see that it is always respecting these levels.
okay.
Went to this level and then came down. Again went to this level, came down. You can see any indicator, it will respect, but then there will be many calls in a 1 minute time frame. If you convert this to a 15 minutes time frame, your result is yesterday sell, continuously sell only, no buy at all. You can use any time frame, no issues. This will work in any time frame. You just need to observe the nearest support and nearest resistance. That's all.
Sir,
Okay.
see,
Thank you.
as long as the price is below that red line, it shows it is bearish.
Yeah.
But for example, if the line is flat, but the price action is trending up.
Sir, when the price line becomes flat, that means market is moving into the sideways motion, then only this line will become flat.
No, but actually here, if you see, sir, it is going up actually.
Which one?
Say February 17th.
February 17th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next one.
Yeah.
Next, sir. Next one. The price is going up, but the line is flat.
No, but what I said is that it will play between this support, resistance and support. No, where it has breached the resistance, from there it came down to the support level. No.
Yeah, what I'm saying, if it is coming down below the red line, then we can understand it. Okay, it is coming down. But when it is flat now, but the price action is going up, so there is some confusion. That is what I'm saying.
No, see, what I'm saying is that when you are looking on 17th, your resistance level is marked here. Your support level is marked here. Okay. On 17th, did anything get breached?
No.
It went to the resistance and came down to the support level. No.
Yeah.
Again, this also happened the same thing. From support, it went to resistance and then came down.
Okay.
It will always act that way. You have to only track the nearest resistance and nearest support.
Okay.
And sell your call and put of the one more level, one higher level.
If you want to sell a call, you have to sell a call of this level. If there is no support here, so that we have to take a judgment. How much points is difference is there from here? So you have to sell a put of that level.
Sir, one thing, say if it breaks, no support. If it breaks, we are. What is the kind of stop loss now we are keeping this?
See, when the market is at this level, if you are selling it, you can keep a very small stop loss and take a trade 10 points, 15 points above this line. That is your maximum risk.
That's what you are telling. Around 10, 15, 20, we should not keep. If it is Nifty 15 is good enough. That's what this I wanted to.
What?
Sir. Yeah. Okay, clear. What I was asking the.
Sir, if you take a trade here and keep 10 to 20 points stop loss, your stop loss will be hit. But if you're taking a trade at that level, near the level, and keep a 20 to 25 stop loss, it will not get triggered.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
या
सर अभी सपोर्ट कहाँ पे है? 24th को सपोर्ट तो नहीं मिल।
कभी कल के दिन का?
यस सर।
कल के दिन का सपोर्ट अभी नहीं है ना सर, डाउनवर्ड ही है ना मार्केट।
तो हम लोग कहाँ सपोर्ट रखेंगे, मैंने क्या टारगेट रखेंगे?
नहीं, आपको अगर अभी कल के तारीख में आपको ट्रेड करना है ना, तो आपको पेशेंस चाहिए 17 to 86 जाने तक का, क्योंकि नीचे पूरा खुला आसमान है, कहीं पे भी जा सकता है। ऊपर
पाताल है।
हाँ, पाताल है।
Can you short?
You can short at 17 to 86. It should go to the resistance level, no sir, not short at this level. If it goes to this red line, you can short. Hello.
Got it. Got it.
Don't short here. What I'm saying is that when it goes to, see, if you see the pre-excels, every time it goes to a line, then it comes to the next support. Again goes to the resistance, comes to the support. So wait for it to go to the resistance line and then sell.
Sir, you are saying that, for example, February 11th, the price is coming down, right? Suppose I want to put a call sell. You are suggesting it should be the next support.
February 11th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The price is coming down.
If you want sell a call, you can sell at this yellow line.
Okay.
17,673.
Why not the same red line, sir?
So red line means there can be a breach can happen. No.
Okay.
It can breach. See here also, it breached that level, but it not go to the upper level. No.
Okay.
Suppose you are taking a call here. If you would have sold here, it has crossed that. Your super, it is going above, but it has not crossed this level, the top level.
It has not crossed the top level, but we will not get any premium at that level. That's a problem.
Sir, this is a 60-minute time frame, sir. If you look at a one-day time frame, you will get a good premiums.
That is the reason I asked you what is the ideal time frame, because that makes a lot of.
If you are taking an option selling, you will be doing at least for 1 week, no, sir?
Yeah.
Minimum.
Yeah.
Now see,
the time frame, will make or kill our
see,
strategy.
that's what I'm saying. Suppose you are taking a position here. What I'm asking you to take is, don't take the immediate support. Take the next support. Have the stock come to this level. Your risk is reduced, no, next level. If you take here, your stop loss would be hit.
So you want us first to wait till the stock come to the S2.
Any support level or resistance level, and then take a call.
And then take the short call or short put. Huh? Okay.
See, again here it has come to this level. That time when the market is coming down, the put premium is going to increase.
Yeah.
Now, when you sell this put, the market has reversed. So you are getting a good premium. Suppose you have done it here, when the market is coming down, you are incurring a loss.
Also, that the stop loss you mentioned very rightly, but then I have to keep on changing the stop loss.
Why? Not necessary. So if it starts moving up, you are getting erosion is happening. Then once you are safe, you can keep a stop loss inside your in profit. You can keep a stop loss, trailing stop loss.
No, sir. In the uptrend, I need to change the stop loss. Suppose market suddenly comes down due to Putin will say something and then it drops to. So I need to keep on changing my stop loss if I am doing intraday particularly.
See, intraday you can keep a trailing stop loss, but suppose you are doing a positional weekly strategy. What happens next day you can know. No, you will never know that.
Background noise is
positional. I agree. Positional you don't need.
राम एक मिनट, अरे बैकग्राउंड नॉइस किसका आता है? ये बैकग्राउंड नॉइस काफी आता है बीच बीच में. किसी के यहाँ से बैकग्राउंड नॉइस आ रहा है काफी ज्यादा. रिक्वेस्ट कि एटलीस्ट आप साइलेंट कमरे में रहिए.
Yeah. One second. I'll just go. This one, I understand positional. I don't need stop loss because I will be guided by your buy sell in Supertrend. But then for intraday, I need to keep.
You can keep it trailing stop loss, no, sir. As the market moves in your favor, keep your stop loss trailing.
Trailing.
Wherever you feel that it is comfortable.
Yeah. So Zerodha has got that provision that I can do that, or I have to keep no.
नहीं, ट्रेलिंग लॉस का नहीं है अभी जीरोधा में. नहीं है, जीरोधा में नहीं है ट्रेलिंग लॉस. काफी में नहीं है आजकल ट्रेलिंग लॉस. ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस आपको मैनुअली करना पड़ रहा है आजकल.
मैनुअली ही करना पड़ेगा.
काफी प्रॉब्लम है.
Okay.
Somebody using trailing stop loss in any of the broker account? Is anybody using trailing stop loss automatically? जैसे आपने ₹1 का ट्रेलिंग लॉस लगा दिया तो
like you came out with that Excel sheet, no? Suppose we can upload that as the target increases, stop loss also increases.
नहीं वो ट्रेलिंग
so
stop
I
loss
suppose
नहीं है.
there's no such provision. Okay.
No.
सर ये जो एक्सेल शीट के अंदर कलर आ रहे हैं रेड और ग्रीन, ये ऑटोमेटिक आएंगे अगर हम आपको
हाँ, वो formatting किया हुआ है।
ऑटोमेटिक है, कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग लगाया हुआ है।
ओके ओके। और दूसरा
आप जो
सर ये
कॉपी
जो
करोगे
सुपर
ना तो
ट्रेंड
हो जाएगा का।
और जो सुपर ट्रेंड 6 के 6 हैं, आपने जो वो बताया टाइमिंग के हिसाब से वो सेट करने पड़ेंगे ना 6 के 6?
हाँ, वो सेट करने पड़ेंगे आपको।
अच्छा, वो वंस इट इज सेट मींस इट विल बी यू नो
हाँ, आप
फॉरएवर।
सेव कर सकते हो, जैसे मैंने अभी इसमें सेव किया है, ज़ेरोधा में है, तो आप सेव व्यू में जाके कर सकते हो।
ओके, तो ये हमेशा फिर आता रहेगा।
फिर जैसे मेरे को जो अगर ये चाहिए तो इसको मैं क्लिक कर दूं। अभी जैसे मैंने अभी आपको सीपीआर का क्लिक किया, अब मेरा सीपीआर का आ रहा है।
ओके ओके।
अरे
अब
बहुत
मुझे
वॉइस आता है पीछे से
सुपर
यार।
ट्रेंड चाहिए तो सुपर ट्रेंड लगा दूंगा।
ओके ओके। और सर ये जो सुपर ट्रेंड मतलब आप बोल रहे हो कि हमें नेक्स्ट लेवल का या मतलब सेकंड लेवल का कॉल या तो बेचना है या सेकंड लेवल का पुट बेचना है या जो भी है, तो वो कभी सेकंड लेवल जैसे दिखा रहे हैं कभी आया ही नहीं ना हमारा, वो फर्स्ट रेंज में ये फर्स्ट रेंज में ही घूमता रहा, यानी फर्स्ट रेसिस्टेंस और फर्स्ट सपोर्ट में ही इंडेक्स घूम रहा है, तो वो नेक्स्ट आएगा ही नहीं, इसीलिए शायद हमें प्रीमियम मिलता रहेगा, ऐसा है क्या?
पीताम्बरम जी,
लेवल 2 मतलब जो सेकंड लाइन है, यानी फर्स्ट
पीताम्बरम जी आप
के
हैं?
अंदर ही घूम रहा है।
Peethambharan is freezed, I think.
हाँ, तो ओके, व्हाट आई वांट टू से कि वी हैव टू वेट, वी शुड नॉट टेक द शॉर्ट कॉल एंड शॉर्ट पुट ट्रेड एट एनी टाइम, we have to wait when the stock or nifty is coming to at least to the next level, then you are much more safe. But basically that's the patience game. Now immediately if you are taking the first support and first resistance, it will create a problem. So my suggestion would be wait, have a patience and let the either the nifty or your stock go to at least the one level higher, then you take a trade for one more level. That will be very, very safe. That is what I want to say.
Okay. What you're saying, boss, see, suppose it reaches the support level.
Then suppose you are observing super trend this level, and if you have if you are observing the stock is moving in R1 and S1, that means first level of resistance and first level of support, correct?
Right.
Mostly the stock will trade in first level only. Okay. Mostly. Now we have to have a patience. Now, whenever the stock is going to the next level, that means R2 or S2.
Okay.
Okay. So that will come maybe once in a day or maybe at the once in a day, at least it will come. So whenever the stock is going to that level, then you start your short call or short put for one more higher level. That means for R3 and S3. When it goes to R3, when it goes to R2, you take a OTM call or OTM put of the R3 level. Then it will be very, very safe because the stock moving to R3 or S3 is very rare.
Okay.
R3, it can come. Nobody can stop because when the market failed the day before yesterday, even at crossed in S3 and S4 level. But that happens once in a month only. So the safer will be wait, have a patience. Whenever it come to the next level, then you start that strategy. That will be much more safer.
PKG, I have a small comment on your remarks. That, when you do positional, what happens, the same super trend what Mr. Pete explained, that itself will give you that signal. Okay. The problem of stop loss is, more pronounced in intraday only.
Intraday mein to hai na yaar. Intraday mein to
intraday without stop loss, because it changes so drastically. If you just come out of your chair, go to the kitchen, have a cup of tea and come, then things will change.
Ram, intraday mein, when we are doing this option selling we normally do for 2-3 days. No,
not necessarily option. No, even intraday we can do, future also we can do, or swing, whatever. It is applicable to this. Charts are not applicable to everything. Future options, even for swing trading, everything.
मेरे को क्या अच्छा लगा, that what I want to say, this is very easy to understand. Normally the technical indicators, that the technical expert can understand. For us it's very difficult. So what I find, this particular indicator is very, very easy to understand and to take a conclusion. That is what I am observing. That is my observation. So my suggestion is you make your indicator, just go on adding these values and then you can save it. That's all.
But that 50 stocks which is put in the system, that is auto updated, no?
No, that 50 will be auto updated in the Excel file, but you have to manually update the data. Manually, this R1, S1, those values that you have to put there. only the weekly high, weekly low, and current price will come automatically.
अच्छा, weekly.
Suppose you have made your portfolio of say 10 stock. So you just keep the 10 stock in your file. You have a weekly high, weekly low, and the current market price will come automatically. Now the R1 to the ST1 to ST6 you have to put manually. Only for those 10 stock, whichever you are monitoring. Okay. So once you are recording by hand, then it will come in your mind automatically whenever the market is moving. Otherwise, you tend to forget. But once you start writing somewhere, your memory becomes much sharper for that particular stock. So that is the idea of Peethambharan. You always record it.
Sir, good morning.
How to calculate the value of those six? We have to
वो
feed
6 value आप वो चार्ट से निकलेगा जो when you open your chart ना, जैसे suppose you want to say track for the Bharti, so when you open a Bharti chart, there the values will appear in the trading view as well as OD. So those values you have to manually record in the Excel file.
अच्छा, every day, weekly we have to.
Every day, भाई आपका कितना है? Normally we have 10 stock maximum, 10 or 12 stock we are monitoring. तो 10 stock का आपको चार्ट लेके वैल्यू डालना में it will take 5 minute time. But then it will really act as a आपको एक मेमोरी में आपके वो एक वैल्यूज बढ़ता जाएगा. जैसे now the Bharti is telling you that it is 621 is a very strong resistance. It has come in my mind now. Now I am waiting till it is reaches that 721. It will not go beyond. So if the stock has to move beyond 721, it has to breach the 721 level first. So 721 is the ST1. Okay, तो इस तरह से ना आपके दिमाग में घुस जाएगा वो कि हाँ यार ये मैं जब रोज लिख रहा हूँ मैं तो आपको पता चलेगा कि 721 को बार-बार दिखा रहा है. So that is the benefit of manual recording. Yeah. Any other question?
Hello. Pidgey, now if this ST1, S2, ST2, etc., they have a value, but there is also, using your support and resistance, there is S1, S2, R1, R2, which values may be different. So how do we, kind of interpret this?
You have.
आप अनम्यूट हैं. आप अनम्यूट कीजिए आपको. पितामन जी अनम्यूट कीजिए आपको.
हेलो.
हाँ आप बोलिए.
Yeah,
Hello?
Hope you got the question.
You have to take the immediate green value and red value.
नहीं इनका क्वेश्चन ये था कि एक आपके सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस बॉलिंजर बैंड वाले मिलते हैं और एक आपका सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस आपका इस सुपर ट्रेंड से मिल रहे हैं. तो दोनों में कुछ फर्क है क्या और दोनों को कुछ हम लोग कंपेयर
दोनों में फर्क है. दोनों में फर्क है. बहुत फर्क है.
हाँ.
बॉलिंगर बैंड में जो मिल रहा है आपको that is only at 97%, 99% and 100%.
आपका इको आ रहा है.
हाँ इको आ रहा है. राइट.
आपके दो जगह पे चल रहे हैं. दो जगह चल रहे हैं. एक मोबाइल पे भी चल रहा है, एक लैपटॉप पे.
मेरा एक्चुअली पहले डिस्कनेक्ट हुआ तो मैंने मोबाइल से कनेक्ट किया था.
अच्छा अभी दोनों चालू हैं.
तो मोबाइल वाला बंद कर दो.
दूसरा मोबाइल वाला बंद कर दिया.
हाँ अभी ठीक है.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज आपको समझना दो चीज है कि मैं जो ये ऑटोमेशन बताया है सुपर ट्रेंड वाला, इसमें आपको ये ऊपर वाले जो डेट है वो चेंज करने पड़ेंगे सर.
सर एक बार स्क्रीन शेयर करेंगे वो फाइल का.
आपका स्क्रीन शेयर कीजिए आपका.
विनो
Actually, PKG, it is a big subject. It can't be covered in half an hour.
नहीं ये तो छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन लिया था. I took this as a small introduction.
इसमें क्या है ना, अगर ये जो डेट है ना, ये जो डेट है आपको हर वीक फ्राइडे टू थर्सडे का करना पड़ेगा, तभी ये वैल्यू अपडेट होगी. अभी जो ये 18 तारीख है और 25 तारीख है, ये 18 और 25 अगर मेरा नेक्स्ट वीक चालू हो जाता है तो मुझे 25 और आगे का डेट अपने आप आ जाएगा.
आपका स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है. आपका स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है.
शेयर किया है सर.
नहीं आ रहा है. आप शेयर स्क्रीन करो ना पहले आप.
अभी नहीं आ रहा है.
अरे आपको लगता है वापस से वो बनाना पड़ेगा. एक मिनट आपको वापस से पोस्ट बनाना पड़ेगा मेरे को. That could be the reason. आपका किधर गया? आप तो आउट ही हो गए.
आज जूम बहुत अनस्टेबल है सर. आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कनेक्टेड थ्राइस.
हाँ पीताम्बरन जी को भी मैंने कर दिया. हाँ नाउ यू कैन शेयर पीताम्बरन जी. इनका आवाज पीताम्बरन जी होता है. हाँ नहीं है. We have a 5 more minute and then we'll start our main presentation.
screen. Yeah.
Now he started, sir. Yeah.
मैं जस्ट आपको स्क्रीन दिखा रहा हूँ, बस आना नहीं है।
हाँ नहीं आ रहा आपका स्क्रीन।
यहाँ पे आपको डेट चेंज करने हैं हर बार।
नहीं आपका स्क्रीन नहीं है अभी तक।
ये जो मैंने अभी 18th का लिखा है फ्राइडे टू नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे।
ओके।
ये डेट आपको हर बार चेंज करना पड़ेगा वीक चेंज होते ही।
ओके। अच्छा जो ऊपर वाला जो आपने स्टार्ट डेट
सर?
और एंड डेट लिया वो चेंज करना है। ओके ठीक है।
हेलो,
आपका स्क्रीन नहीं आ रहा अभी।
ये आपको सिर्फ फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग डेट चेंज करने हैं।
हाँ
ये भी 18 फरवरी मतलब फ्राइडे का डेट लिया है मैंने, और 25 फरवरी लिया है, मतलब लास्ट वीक का डाटा ले रहा है वो। तो लास्ट वीक का हाई और लास्ट वीक का लो दिखा रहा है गूगल फाइनेंस से।
तो अभी मंडे को हमें क्या करना है? मंडे को चेंज करना है, फिर 25 फरवरी तो हट जाएगा ना मंडे को।
मंडे को नहीं, ये नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे को चेंज करना है आपको। 1, 2, 3 तारीख को चेंज करना है।
नहीं अभी 26 फरवरी को क्या करना है हमारे को?
अभी ये सिर्फ अपडेट करते जाना है आपको।
अच्छा अभी अपडेट करते जाना। अच्छा ये लास्ट वीक का डेटा ले रहा है। ओके ठीक है।
ये लास्ट वीक का डाटा ले रहा है, प्रीवियस वीक।
अच्छा तो जब ये 3 मार्च आ जाएगा तो इसको हम कर देंगे 26 फरवरी से लेके 2 मार्च तक।
ये तो अपने आप चेंज होएगा। आपको सिर्फ यहाँ पे 25 डालना है। जैसे अभी मैं यहाँ पे 25 डाल दूं तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली 3 मार्च ले लेगा वहां से।
अच्छा वो 7 दिन आपने प्लस के फार्मूला डाल रखा है। अच्छा
हाँ, ये अभी क्या है 28 महीने का महीना, इसके लिए थोड़ा इसको अपडेट करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ वो ऊपर आपने 7 कर रखा है ना। ठीक है राइट।
But this is support and resistance updation has to be done weekly basis, huh?
Manually, daily basis.
Daily
basis.
Okay.
सर ये इसमें ST1 से लेके जो ST6 है, ये सिर्फ सपोर्ट है या इसमें रेजिस्टेंस का भी कोई कॉलम है?
रेजिस्टेंस भी आएगा सर। इसमें आपको क्या करना है, अभी ये जो वैल्यूज है इसका हाईएस्ट वैल्यू सबसे पहले सेल में लिखना है, फिर उससे नीचे वाला, फिर उससे नीचे वाला, ऐसे आपको करना है। ऐसा नहीं कि आपको ये ST1 है तो 17,000 ही आपने पहले में डाल दिया। ये 6 वैल्यू में सबसे जो टॉपेस्ट है 18 to 46, इसको पहले लिखना पड़ेगा, फिर 17,829, फिर 17,067, फिर 16,431, फिर 16,114 और फिर 15,828।
ओके,
ये हाई टू लो डालना पड़ेगा, तभी ये आपको ऐसे कलर में मिलेगा।
ओके, तो रेड
कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग तो पहले से ही है, इतने स्क्रिप्ट का कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग डाल के रखा गया है।
ओके, एंड रेड कलर मींस इट इज रेड
कलर मींस क्या है? रेजिस्टेंस, और ग्रीन यानी सपोर्ट।
ग्रीन है मतलब सपोर्ट।
अच्छा ओके।
ये
जहां भी ये कलर चेंज हो रहा है,
जहां भी कलर चेंज हो रहा है तो उसमें आप लोग
राइट
है ना।
हाँ,
इसमें भी अगर कोई स्क्रिप्ट आपको 50 वीकली हाई को ब्रेक करता है तो यहाँ पे भी कलर आ जाएगा।
अच्छा,
जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखा दूं, कोई भी वीकली हाई ब्रेक कर रहा है तो वहां पे भी कलर आ जाएगा।
अभी कोई नहीं ब्रेक कर रहा होगा।
बस एक्चुअली the figures which
हो सकता है लो कोई ब्रेक कर रहा हो, लो जरूर हो रहा होगा।
लो का फार्मूला नहीं डाला इन्होंने, हाई का डाला लगता है।
ओके,
नहीं लो का भी है सर, उस लेवल को ब्रीच नहीं किया है ना सर।
अच्छा लो से नीचे नहीं गया
505 है ना।
हाँ। नहीं आपका वो निफ्टी क्रॉस किया होगा ना।
ये सब अपडेट आएगा।
निफ्टी में देखिए, निफ्टी में सारे आपके रेट थे ना।
में कुछ नहीं है ना सर, लो एकदम नीचे है ना सर, 16,203 है ना लास्ट वीक का।
हाँ तो उससे अच्छा, उससे भी नीचे है ये। हाँ तो ये आपका हाईलाइट होना चाहिए था ना। अच्छा प्राइस उससे नीचे होगा तो, हाँ प्राइस उससे नीचे होगा। राइट।
हाँ सर, ये F5 वाला जो सेल है इंडिया विक्स, दिस इज ऑफ करंट डेज विक्स, राइट?
या करंट डेज।
हाँ करंट।
ये सब गूगल फाइनेंस से अपने आप आ जाता है। इसमें आपको केयर एक ही लेना है कि आप जो स्क्रिप्ट का नाम लिख रहे हैं वो NSE का स्क्रिप्ट का नाम होना चाहिए। आप अगर स्पेस भी दिए तो नहीं आएगा। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपका कोई अगर स्क्रिप्ट में ब्रेक है, अभी जैसे बजाज फाइनेंस, आपने अगर बजाज पूरा लिखा तो नहीं आएगा, आपको जो सिंबल है BAJFINANC ऐसा ही लिखना पड़ेगा।
क्या है कि एक बार आप जो है वो आप NSE की साइट पे जाके सारे के सारे एक जो है इसका लिस्ट डाउनलोड कर लो आप, तो वो आपको वो सारे नाम जो है आपके कंप्यूटर में आ जाएंगे, फिर वहां से कॉपी पेस्ट करके डालो आप, तब कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा।
Yes,
एनएससी के
good
साइट पे
idea.
जाओ, वहां सर्च करो कि F&O लिस्ट, तो एनएससी जो है F&O का लिस्ट दे देगा। अगर आप बोलो साहब एनएससी 500, तो वो 500 स्टॉक का लिस्ट दे देगा। उस लिस्ट को डाउनलोड करो, सेव कर लो अपना एक्सेल फाइल में, और वहां से कॉपी पेस्ट करो, कभी भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा।
Right, right, right.
Sir,
ऐसा करो।
can I stop now?
So-
It's 11 o'clock.
Yeah, you can stop now.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So friends, yeah, thank you very much. So we'll have this similar smaller presentation in the every webinar. कोई भी जैसे किसी को छोटा स्ट्रेटेजी डिस्कस करना है, and if he is not willing for the full day presentation, a full 2-hour presentation,